Hello, welcome to my other episode of Do It Yourself. In this episode, I would like to show you how to replace a Toyota Corolla 1996 model on the passenger's side mirror. This also applies for any models, any years around 94 to 97, those that are passenger side mirror or those models that does not have electrical components in it. Those are very easy to fix, and you can do it yourself too. This was broken when it accidentally hit an object, so the whole mirror got clipped off. And I bought the parts from online, from carparts.com. I will show the price underneath as the day that this product was purchased. I am going to show you how to take this part off, outside, inside part. The tool that you need to do this job to replace your passenger side mirrors are 10mm socket wrench, Phillips screw flat end screwdriver, and Phillips crosshead screwdriver. First of all, you're going to pop this off with your Phillips flat end screwdriver. Very simple. So it has a plastic start knob there and a couple of clips. For the Toyota Corolla models during those years, from 1994, 5, 6, 7, those vehicles, there is no electrical components involved in it. So this is very easy to take it out, and you do not need to pop this panel off in order to access to it. As you can see early on, all you need to do is just pop the inside triangular black plastic covers. That's all you can access to it. Now the next thing we're going to go inside is to remove these 3 screws. For this Corolla models, older versions, there's a little clip. This is a star-shaped screw that is locking the mirror from the inside. So if you have a little tiny small star-shaped screwdriver, you can easily take it off to remove this star-shaped screw. So there's the little clips here. Now you should be able to remove this part. I noticed that the new part doesn't have this little area where you can put your reverse clips on it. So this is the old part. That's where you put the reverse clips on it. But the old part does not have one. It doesn't matter. This part does not help much to hold the mirror. As long as you have these 3 parts where you can put the bow on it, that's all it counts. Now let's put the mirror back to the other side. Last but not least, just pop this plastic cover back onto this area, and that will be it. That's all. So I hope you will enjoy this video, and hopefully you will learn something from this. And again, if you like this tutorial, please feel free to click the button below, and please leave me any comment and subscribe my channel as well too. Thank you so much, and until next time, I will see you on the next episode. Bye. May God bless you.